We start by defining a simple object called myObject that contains one property named newProperty. This is just a regular property that we plan to use in our code. Next, we address the concept of deprecation by defining a property on our object that we intend to deprecate. We do this using Object.defineProperty, which allows us to define a property with custom behavior when it gets accessed. Inside the property definition, we specify a getter function. This function is executed whenever the property is read. In the function, we issue a warning to the console notifying users that old property is deprecated. Despite the warning, we still return the property's value. Similarly, we define a setter function for when the property is set or updated with a new value. The setter logs a warning to the console, indicating that the property is deprecated, and also logs the new value that was attempted to be set. We set the property to be non-enumerable, meaning it won't show up in loops iterating over object properties. However, we also mark it as configurable, allowing us to modify or remove the property definition in the future if needed. Now when we try to access the deprecated old property, the getter function is called, and it triggers our custom warning message while still providing the value of the property. If we attempt to assign a new value to old property, the setter is invoked, triggering another warning. This alerts anyone using the property that they are utilizing a feature that will soon be unavailable and should not be relied upon.